Introducing DiffyQ, the educator-designed solution that streamlines competency-based assessment practices in just 3 simple steps. Step 1. Easily manage your classroom data. Create scoring rubrics effortlessly by selecting the relevant standards from our database. No more searching through curriculum documents or manual data entry. You can also leave feedback and even attach student artifacts directly within the platform. Step 2. Gain immediate insights into student performance. Track performance by standards and identify trends across tasks. At DiffyQ, we believe in continuous assessment that yields actionable insights, not just snapshots from tedious testing requirements. Step 3. Dive into student-specific data to personalize learning. Identify curriculum spirals, scaffold when needed, and access student portfolios. Support 504 plans and gifted student identification, all in one place. DiffyQ, advancing equity through analytics. For a deeper understanding, email demo@diffyqmetrics.com to explore how DiffyQ aligns with your school's goals and strategic plan.